Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is almost October, which means Halloween season is upon us. So for today's video, I will be showing you a few product recommendations for your Halloween makeup look. So if you want to see what these products are and why I like them so much, then please keep on watching. Alright, so as I have mentioned, today I will be showing you guys my favorite products for Halloween. Now, please take note that these products were not created just for Halloween, but I do love using these for my crazy looks for the season. Okay, so this is the Paint Warrior Face and Body Paint Palette from Heyhue PH. This retails for 899 pesos and contains 12 detachable pans of face and body paint. So these are non-drying. In fact, they are very moisturizing because they are infused with coconut oil. Now, aside from that, this can be used for sensitive skin and it has a shelf life of 24 months. So I got mine last year and I can still use this up to next Halloween, which is amazing. And these are detachable pans. I can't take them off right now because I have nails. But yes, these are detachable. So if you need to bring one of the colors for touch-ups, that's great. Also, I love how this contains 2 white pans because usually mabilis talaga maubos ang white na face paint or anything na white actually. Ayan siya. Also, the packaging is very sturdy. Highly recommend this. Also, here are a few looks that I created using this palette. Okay, so moving on to our next product. These are still from Heyhue PH. I have here 3 out of their 4 Hydroliner palettes. And these are actually water-activated eyeliners. Now, aside from being eyeliners, you can also use these as face paints. You can use this for your body as well. Now, let me show you these one by one. So, first and foremost, I have here the Basic Common Colors palette. Ayan siya. Mine is a bit messy because I do like mixing the colors because you can use these like watercolors. So if you've used watercolors as a child, this is how that works, as in exactly. Ayan, you can mix the colors, just spray on some water and that activates the pigments. I really love these. Next, I have here their UV Glow palette. So you can use this for glow-in-the-dark looks. Yan siya. And another used and abused palette is this one. This is their Metaliners palette. So all of these are metallics naman. So these ones retail for 999 pesos. You get 15 colors per palette. And yeah, these are great. Highly recommend. Again, here are some looks that I've created using these Heyhue Hydroliners palettes. Okay, so next I have here the Snowy Beauty Primaries Paint Palette. Now, look at this. It has a mirror, plus you get 9 colors. As you can see, I really like this palette because it's so messy already. Now, I really love this because yes, they look like regular eyeshadows, but you can use them wet and dry. So wet or dry siyang magagamit. It becomes more pigmented when you use a wet brush or if you spray water on the pigments first. This contains 9 bold shades, 9 bold pigments. They are high-intensity paints that can be used on the face and body. Again, when you get these wet, they work like watercolors. You can mix the colors together to create a new shade. Also, this retails for 1,099 pesos. But as of right now, they are currently on sale for 949 pesos na lang. Okay, so next I have here 2 eyeshadows from Beauty Glazed. If you are not familiar from Beauty Glazed, they are a China-based brand that you can get off of Shopee. So I have here their color board palette. And wait for it. Looks like a regular palette, but wait. Look. I don't even know how to show you guys. Do you see how many shades there are? So this palette contains 60 shades. Yes, 60 shades of eyeshadows. There are mattes, shimmers, and even pressed glitters in this palette. So as you can see, there is a green board, and then an orange and red board, followed by a blue board, and then finally the purples and the pinks, and a random brown. But these are absolutely amazing. You can use this for anything. Highly recommend. So once again, this is called the color board. This retails for 569 pesos only, and if you compute that, divide that by 60 pans of eyeshadow, you're only paying 9 pesos and 48 cents per eyeshadow pan, which is crazy. So definitely worth it. Okay, so next we have another Beauty Glazed palette. This time, this is the Color Fusion eyeshadow palette. And once you open it, this is what it looks like. So this palette contains 40 different shades. It has a mixture of mattes, pearls, and metallic pigments. So this one naman retails for 419 pesos. The only difference is that there are 20 more shades on the color board, plus the color board has pressed glitter pigments, and this one doesn't. But all of the shades on this row, they are all metallic. Do you see how soft that is? Okay, so I poked it with my finger, so let's swatch that na lang. And just to give you guys a sample of how pigmented these eyeshadows are. Also, all of these will be linked in the description box below. If I have a review of these products, I'm going to link them down there as well. Just if you're interested, you know, ganon. I have here the Dragon Rainy, ano ba tawag dito? Punk Style Devil's Dream Lipstick Set. So as you can see, this is a set of 12 liquid lipsticks. They do have a bit of shimmer on them, very fine lang. And what I really like about this is that this retails for only 412 pesos. You already get 12 shades, plus these 3 are perfect for Halloween. You see, there's a blue one, a black one, and a purple one. So let me swatch these on the back of my hand. Alright, so I swatched 5 out of the 12 shades of this lipstick set. And as you can see, they are stunning. They have fine glitter. Plus, they are very, very pigmented and lightweight as well. So once again, these are all linked in the description box below. So moving on to more eye products. Alright, so for eyeliners, I have here 2 sets. These are from the same brand. I think they're called Handayan. I'm not really sure, but I'm going to list this in the description box. Okay, so I have here, these are glitter eyeliners, chunky glitter liners, and these ones naman, they keep on falling off. These ones are solid colored liners. Ayan. So these come in a set of 12. The glitter liners are 499 pesos. And the solid colored ones are 373 pesos lang. Yan o. Absolutely love this. I don't only use this for Halloween. I use this for a lot of my looks, especially the glitter ones. Okay, so next, if you want some funky looking lashes or even brows for the Halloween season, these are my top suggestions. These are from the same brand. Tiason, I think Tiason. Not sure how that's pronounced. But anyway, I have 2 kinds of colored mascaras here. This one has a very thick consistency. And this one is very thin, natural looking, but still colored. So this one, the thick one, retails for 69 pesos. This is available in white, pink, purple, blue, brown, and black. And the thin one retails for 54 pesos and is available in black, blue, brown, purple, and green. So I have here green and I have here the white one. And so can you see how thick that is? This is also quite pigmented. If you don't want to use this on your actual lashes. You can use this to color your falsies. This one is the green one. These smell amazing. Parang they smell very fruity. Ayan. So that's what the green one looks like. Tapos ito yung white. Again, linked below. You can use this on your actual lashes or your falsies. And speaking of falsies, okay, so these are my favorite lashes. Hold on, let me take off the lid. So these are some of my favorite lash styles, especially for Halloween because they are gigantic. They are very dramatic, like me. And no, they didn't come in this box. I bought this separately to organize my lash collection. But yeah, so I'm going to link all of these styles down below. I will link this below na din if you are interested in organizing your lashes as well. The lashes that I'm wearing right now, they seem dramatic, but these are nothing compared to these ones. So, yan. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to recommend, I can't show you right now, but I have it in this little thing. And this is also sort of like a Halloween makeup hack. If I'm not completely happy with a look that I've created, if I think it's not extra enough, I wear white contacts, and let me show you why. So this is a look that I created, and as you can see, hindi siya masyadong pack, but this is what it looks like with the white contacts on. Okay, so in terms of this white contact lens, I got this from Uyai. And I got these white contacts for only 139 pesos. The one that I'm wearing is called Unmanned. Yeah, 139 pesos. And finally, something that's super important for Halloween, I think, is a good black lipstick. Now, I already showed you the one from Dragon Rainy earlier. I have here 2 more lipsticks and a black lip gloss for you guys. So first of all, I have this. This was my favorite. This has been my favorite for years. This is the Matte in Detail lipstick from Detail Cosmetics. This one is in the shade Shadow. And I'm not sure if this is available online, but I think they still have this in their kiosks at the malls. So as you can see, that's super pigmented. Also, it smells like watermelon, which I love. I actually have 2 of these left because I stocked up on this 2 years ago. Yan. And then next, I have this BYS Velvet Liquid Lipstick. And this is in the shade Dark Night. So, ayan. Very pigmented as well. Doesn't smell as nice as the Detail one, but pwede na siya pang Halloween. Okay, so once again, this one is from Dragon Rainy. This is from Detail, and this one is the one from BYS. BTS ata yung sinabi ko kanina. BYS mga sis. And finally, I have a black lip gloss recommendation for you guys. I already reviewed this on my channel and on my TikTok as well. This is the Manananggal lip gloss from Dalang PH. And let me show you on the back of my hand first kung gaano siya ka-pigmented. This one is bubblegum scented. I'm not a fan of bubblegum scents. However, I'm willing to shut up about that scent because I really love this. Let me show you how this applies. It comes with a spatula, and I'm not really used to this type of applicator. So I'm going to use a doe foot applicator na lang. Just going to put this on the back of my hand so I could show you guys how it looks like on the lips. So this is what one layer of that lip gloss looks like on top of dark red lipstick. It is insanely pigmented. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't. All of my social media handles will be listed down below, so go ahead and check that out if you want. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on my next video.